Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Welcome to iClass Digital Class. iLearning rather, sorry. Welcome to iLearning Digital Class. My name is Stevie. So we started a project a few weeks ago on how you can build an automated result processing system. So I've in my first video concerning this project, I've shown the kind of application I want to build. If you've not yet seen that, you can just kindly go and check it out. So the last time on this channel, I explained to us on how you can create a sign up button, on how you can sign up using FIREBASE authentication. So now let's proceed. We're gonna make our login function now. We want to make our login function. So don't forget, we're gonna do the same thing that we did in our sign up button in our last video. We're gonna say var login. Let's say login is equals to document dot get elements by ID. Then will come log something like this. Then we'll say want to grab the ID for this. I'm gonna grab the ID for this. So Control C. I'm gonna say Control C, then Control V here to avoid error. So then the same thing, we're gonna say login. We're gonna say login dot add event listener, then click. That is, when it's click, please listen to this following function. That's just what we're trying to do now. So I'm just gonna rush through this because I've explained this process in my last video. So if you have not yet watched that, please kindly go and watch it, and don't forget to kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you're gonna say event.prevent the fault, that is to stop the someone from reloading. Stop it from reloading. So what we're gonna do next is that we're gonna grab this same thing here. I'm gonna grab the same thing here. I'm gonna put this here. Then let's move into the FIREBASE FIREBASE documentation that we have here. FIREBASE documentation that we have here. So this, we're gonna copy this now. Copy this. Yeah, copy to our clipboard. We're gonna copy this. Then copy it to inside our code. Then come down here. Let's paste the comments. FIREBASE login. So let's paste. Yes, we've done that. So don't forget, in the last video I said your email here must be the same. What the name you use here must be the same. What you use here, the password I use here must be the same with the password as you use it. So let's add the promise function. But then, that is, if there is no error, if our email and password is okay, then we can perform this following function. Then from this following functions, then we'll say okay. Now let's console log something here for us to see what's happening here. Console.log. Then we'll say log in successfully. Everything is fine. Log in successfully. Let's save, and let's move into our browser to cross check what we've just done now. So let's see now. So let me reload. Yes, now let's see. The other time we've already signed up with admin, or better still, okay, I've already signed up with admin, or better still, we can even sign up with another thing again. Let's say we sign up with tests at test.com. We now say we want to sign up now. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sign up. So we should have a message here. Yes, signed up successfully. You see, we did that in the last video. So let's now log in now. Let's log in. Now let me refresh so that we're able to get this thing very, very well. Let me refresh now. Let's now say test at let's now say 1 2 3 4 5 6. And let's click on the login. If everything is well, we should get logged successfully here. Just let's see. Yeah, good. Login successfully. So we are logging successfully now. So what next is this? Since we've been able to log in successfully, there is no error. So now let's now move into our code. Now what we want to do next is that Now I created an index page here. You can just do that by right click on your Sublime and create a new file. I created an index page there. That is, if the login is successful, if the user click on login and the creation is successful, we want the user to be able to have access to this. Now let's see that now here. Now we have the login successfully. Now if the user login successfully, what we want to do is that we want to redirect the user into our index.html. We're going to say window dot location dot assign. That is dot assign. Then we're going to say we're going to put colonel dot slash index dot html. That is what's happened here is that we're trying to say that if the user sign in with the correct credentials and good, if the email and password is okay, if the email and password is in our database, then it should redirect. So what do we have here? Let's clear that. So let's try that out. Now. Let me refresh. That's here. Okay. Reload. Yes, I'll reload now. Let's now log in. Let's say we use tests at Gmail. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's click on the login. If everything is okay, we should be able to have access to our index. It should redirect us into index. You see, good. We're already redirected. Welcome to automated result processing system. You're already inside it. As you can see, welcome to our automated result processing system. So that is just it. So it shows that once everything is correct, if everything is well, then should be able to redirect us. Now let's see now if to say the email and password is not in our database, what should happen? Now here let's create a warning. Let's create a warning here. Okay, we have a span here already. ID is equals to error. That is, if there is an error, we want to display message inside this place. Let me repeat, if the email and password is not correct, that is, if it is not in our database, we want to display an error inside this place. So we will grab this ID here inside our JavaScript here. Let's now say, this is where we're going to use the conditional statement that if there is an error, if there's an error message, we want you to say document dot get elements by ID. So we want to get the error. You know, say oh no, okay, yes. I'm gonna say if there is an error message, what we want to do is that we want to grab this. So let's do that now again. Document, elements by ID. Say error dot inner HTML equals to invalid password or email. You see, what I'm trying to say is that if there is an error message, if the email and the password is not correct, then display this message: invalid password or email. Invalid password or email. Let's try that now. As said, document get element by ID error, that's inner HTML, that is, send this message, this invalid password or email, into this place. Insert it here. That's what we just done now. Let's see if it will work. Let's go back. Let's go back into our previous login. So let's assume we have a wrong So let's say I press 111. Let's try login. Let's see. Try login. If you see, we get it here. Invalid password or email. As you can see, we have invalid. Let me close this. I'm not gonna do this again. We have invalid password or email. See, because I used a wrong password there. So because I type 111, so I get an invalid password. You're still gonna get the same thing here. So, but let's just assume that I got the correct 1234556. Click on login. Click on login. So what's good, because our credentials are correct. So the last thing we're gonna do here is that we want to put a loader there so that the user is not gonna be waiting. So we want to there be a loader should appear like the one I showed us previously in the original project. So what we're gonna do is that now let's grab the loader here. Let's go move up and grab the loader here. Let's say var loader is equals to document dot get element. I'm gonna explain this in a second. ID loading. So document var loader is equals to document dot get element by ID loading. Now this loading, do you know where I get this loading from? Let me show you. I got this loading from here. This is it. This is where I want our loader to appear inside this place. This is where I want it to appear. The CSS is here. I set the display to none. I don't want it to display. Not only we put a function, it is display none. The loader is there. This is the image for the loader. As you can see, this is the image for the loader. So I've already set it to display to none. I don't want it to display by default. So let's see now how we're going to get that working. So we've already set it here that okay, var loader is equal to document of element by ID loading. So let's come here. If the click, this function is click, we're gonna say loader. Don't forget that's the name we give the variable here. If this button is click, please display it. Then we're gonna say loader style dot display is equals to block. You get the idea? You see what I'm gonna happen now. So please, if this login button is click, if this login button is click, loader.style.display is equals to block. That is, we are changing the defaults that we in our CSS we put it into display none, but we are changing it in our JavaScript that if it's click, we want it to get display. So let's go back. Let's go back. So let's click now and let's see what will happen. 6. Let's click on login, get the loader. See, but it will just be loading. Even if I thought the thing is okay, we got it here, good. So let's go back again and see what happened again. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's log in, see the loader. Once the function finished rendering, you're gonna see what will happen. It's gonna send us into our login page. So I believe you get the whole idea of what we've done today, and this is what we're able to do. We get the login button, and we add an add event listener click function events that will pass the event as parameter here, so that we'll be able to prevent the defaults. And we get the elements, the email values here, and we set the loader that display block. That immediately the loader appears, and once our code here finished rendering here, send us into this place, and the loader will go disappear. So that's just the whole idea. So thank you for watching my this video, and I believe you've learned one or two things. Please take your time to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. And in case you have any question on this what we've done today, so just feel free to ask me your question. So in the next video we're going to continue on how we can. I'm going to teach us on how we can now probably move into our application, how we can do some basic calculation in JavaScript, how you can how you can do some basic calculation, the if and the else statement and the lines. I'm going to explain into details. So please take your time to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell button to be able to get notification when I upload a new video. So every week I'll be coming up here to upload a new video about this project. I really appreciate you for watching. Please simply like this video. Thank you very much and God bless you. See you in my next video.